Welcome to our presentation on tools to enhance creativity, where we explore resources that unlock innovation and support idea development. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through practical tools, techniques, and workflows designed to expand creative potential, streamline collaboration, and help you turn concepts into tangible outcomes. Whether you're working alone or with a team, this slide outlines the journey we'll take together, covering introductions to creativity tools, digital brainstorming platforms, visual design resources, writing assistance, innovation frameworks, technology integration, and practical tips. Think of it as a roadmap that frames each section, so you get a clear sense of how the tools fit together and what to expect as we move through the presentation. Now we begin with an introduction to creativity tools, setting the foundation for why tools matter and how they support creative work. I'll explain the core concepts behind creativity enhancement, show how tools expand idea generation and problem solving, and prepare you to evaluate different categories of tools in the sections that follow. This slide helps us understand creativity itself, defining it as the ability to combine knowledge, imagination, and problem solving to generate original ideas. We'll touch on why creativity matters across fields and call out common challenges like fear of failure, cognitive bias, or limited resources, while noting that the right tools can help overcome those barriers and spark innovation. Here we focus on the role tools play in creativity, showing how they facilitate new perspectives, simplify complex ideas, and enable experimentation. The three sections highlight how tools expand creative thinking, the main categories like ideation and visualization, and the positive impact tools have on both individual and team creativity by improving communication and supporting collaborative problem solving. Moving into digital tools for brainstorming, this section explores software that helps capture and organize ideas quickly and collaboratively. We'll look at platforms that transform scattered thoughts into structured concepts, enabling remote teams to share, iterate, and prioritize ideas in real time, and discuss how these tools speed up discovery while preserving creative spontaneity. Mind mapping software helps turn messy thoughts into clear structures, using intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, collaboration features, and templates to visualize connections between ideas. Popular apps boost creativity by enabling real-time collaboration and customization, while the visual nature of mind maps improves memory, clarifies thought processes, and streamlines brainstorming into actionable plans. Collaborative brainstorming platforms enable teams to ideate together in real time, reducing meeting latency and making it easy to gather diverse perspectives. Tools like visual whiteboards support dynamic interaction, seamless integration with other apps, and structured idea flows, helping groups build on each other's input and accelerate creative problem solving during workshops or remote sessions. Next, we explore visual creativity enhancement tools that help you craft compelling imagery and visual narratives to communicate ideas. This section covers software for designers and non-designers alike, showing how visuals amplify concepts, engage audiences, and make abstract ideas tangible through templates, intuitive interfaces, and creative workflows adapted to different skill levels. Graphic design software provides powerful features for creating professional visuals, from layering and vector graphics to advanced color management. These tools are essential for precision work, while modern user-friendly platforms offer templates and AI-guided suggestions that let non-designers produce polished material, making visual storytelling more accessible and boosting confidence in creative projects. Digital drawing and sketching apps support freehand creation with pressure-sensitive brushes, customizable strokes, and layered workflows that mimic traditional techniques while adding digital flexibility. These apps speed iteration, enable easy sharing, and come with robust tool libraries. Popular options favored by artists and designers make it straightforward to explore concepts and refine ideas quickly in a digital environment. Turning to writing and content creation tools, this section covers software that supports storytelling, structure, and collaboration for writers and content teams. We'll discuss tools that help organize plots and scenes, platforms that enable simultaneous editing, and ways to overcome common writing obstacles so creators can focus on clarity, voice, and producing engaging content. Creative writing software helps authors structure narratives, manage character development, and organize scenes using tools designed for long-form storytelling. These tools also support collaboration by tracking changes and streamlining version control, while built-in features can help overcome writer's block by prompting new directions, maintaining organization, and keeping the creative flow moving. AI-powered writing assistants accelerate idea generation, offer grammar and style improvements, and provide real-time suggestions to enhance clarity and tone. By handling repetitive editing tasks and proposing alternative phrasings, these tools free writers to focus on originality and narrative flow, while also serving as a creative partner for brainstorming, rewriting, and polishing content efficiently. Now we shift to innovation and problem-solving tools that support structured approaches like design thinking and prototyping. This section looks at methods and platforms that help teams empathize with users, define problems clearly, ideate solutions, and build quick prototypes to test assumptions, enabling iterative improvement and more effective problem resolution in creative projects. Design thinking tools guide teams through stages like empathy, ideation, and prototyping, using empathy maps and journey maps to capture user needs and behaviors. Visual timelines and prototyping tools speed the feedback loop, helping teams create quick models, gather real-world input, and iterate towards solutions that are both innovative and grounded in user insight. This slide covers creativity techniques and frameworks such as brainstorming, Scamper, SWOT analysis, and mindfulness practices. Each approach offers a different way to generate ideas, evaluate options, or clear mental blocks, and when combined with the right tools, they form a practical toolkit for structured ideation, strategic decision-making, and sustaining creative momentum over time. Next, we explore how technology integration enhances creativity, using immersive and automated tools to expand what's possible. This section will highlight how new technologies can deepen engagement, enable rapid experimentation, and automate repetitive tasks so creators can spend more time on ideation and less on manual work, while maintaining a healthy balance between tools and human judgment. Virtual reality and augmented reality tools create immersive environments where users can visualize concepts in 3 dimensions, experiment safely, and experience ideas at scale. These technologies are increasingly used in education and the arts to deepen engagement and hands-on learning, and they point toward future trends in personalized creative environments and real-time collaborative simulations. Automation and creative workflows streamline repetitive tasks, freeing time for ideation and higher-level creative work. By reducing errors and accelerating routine processes, automation lets teams focus on experimentation and innovation. But it's important to balance automation with human creativity, so technology enhances rather than replaces critical decision-making and original thought. Now we move into best practices and tips for using creativity tools effectively, focusing on selection, experimentation, and continuous learning. These guidelines will help you evaluate tools against your goals, integrate them into workflows thoughtfully, and build habits that keep your creative practice flexible, collaborative, and adaptive to new challenges and technologies. When selecting the right tools, start by assessing your creative needs, project goals, and team skill levels, then balance budget and accessibility considerations. Trial tools with free versions to explore features, adapt them gradually into your workflow, and remain flexible so you can reassess and customize settings as your projects evolve and your creative requirements change. To maximize tool effectiveness, combine complementary tools to cover gaps, encourage experimentation and a mindset of open-minded learning, and invest in continuous skill development. Regular practice, exploring new features, and treating mistakes as learning opportunities help you unlock the full potential of creativity tools and drive more innovative, reliable outcomes across projects. Thanks for joining this walkthrough of creativity tools and strategies, and for exploring how practical resources can expand your idea generation and problem-solving capacity. If you'd like to dive deeper into any section or get recommendations tailored to your field, I'm happy to help you choose tools and workflows that fit your creative goals.